Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this ombre and freehand nail design. So I'm going to use this white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out. This silver also by Creative Play called Polish My Act. Another Creative Play is a pink but it looks red. It's called Well Red. And this blue by Finger Paints called Tiffany Imposter. So I'm going to apply the colors onto a clean makeup sponge. And I didn't do a normal ombre. I wanted to do something different, show you a different kind of ombre if you want to do it. It's really fun and you can add as many colors to it and it just gives you a nice look to your nails. I just liked it. And I had to do this ombre a few times to get a dark opaque color, but I don't show you how many times I do it because I don't want to bore you with over and over again, so I show it to you twice. But it did take a couple of times because I wanted the colors to come out really nice and pretty, and it really did. Now, once I was done, I removed the liquid latex and I cleaned around my nails, and then I applied a hollow glitter on top of the nails. I just thought it would give it such a nice, pretty, glam look instead of a regular, design. I just thought it just made the whole look work together. Then using my black nail striper, I'm just going to draw some abstract lines. There's no rhyme or reason. I just want to do something different. And I have to say, I really did love this finished look. It gave it kind of a nail stamp design. In my mind, it was a nail stamp design. Now you can use a nail brush with either acrylic polish or nail polish, but I wanted to do something quick and easy and show you that it's simple to do a freehand design. You just have to have a steady hand. Once you get the hang of it, you can do a lot of designs, something different than, just putting a nail stamp. Even though I'm not insulting nail stamps, I love my nail stamps, but just something different and unique. Now, I could have left it plain, but I haven't done a dot design, and I thought adding dots to this design would just bring it all together. It just gave it such a nice look, and I have to say I really did love the finished look. I hope you did. I hope I made this video easy for you guys to recreate if you want to. And you don't have to add as many dots as I did. You can add a few dots. I just went a little dot crazy. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.